Hi everyone! In this video we're going to build an amazing LED matrix project using an Arduino Uno and the powerful MAX7219. We'll not only learn how this IET works, but also how to connect multiple LED matrices together and finally display a beautiful I love you animation with typing and heartbeat effect. So first, what exactly is the MAX7219? It's a specialized display driver IC designed to control 7-segment displays, LED dot matrix displays like 8x8 matrices. Instead of controlling 64 LEDs individually, this IC handles multiplexing, current limiting, scanning. This means you need 3 wires from Arduino to control an entire display. Where is MAX7219 used? You'll find the MAX7219 in digital clocks, school boards, scrolling text displays, LED signboards, DIY walls like in this demonstration. How MAX7219 works? The MAX7219 works using SPI communication. From the Arduino we send data, which LEDs to turn on off, address, which row and column. Internally the IC scans rows one by one very fast, lights up columns accordingly. This creates the illusion that all LEDs are on at the same time. This technique is called multiplexing. Arduino to MAX7219 wiring. Now let's look at your circuit. From the Arduino Uno to the first MAX7219, D11 to DIN, data input, D10 to CRK, clock, that is CS, chip select, 5 volt to VCC, and ground to ground. Note that here the power and ground connection are not shown. These are SPI pins, MOSI, data, clock, CS for control. MAX7219 to 8x8 LED matrix wiring. Now let's understand how each MAX7219 connects to the LED matrix. The MAX7219 pins 8 rows, which is dig 0 to dig 7, digit 0 to digit 7, and 8 columns SEG A to G, that's segment A to segment G, and DP. Similarly, each 8x8 matrix has dig 0 to dig 7, which are the rows, seg A to G, DP, which are the columns. So here's the powerful part. Your design uses 3 MAX7219 ICs. They're connected in daisy chain. Dout IC1 to DIN IT2. Dout IC2 to DIN IC3. All ICs share the same clock and CS load. This allows Arduino to control multiple displays using the same 3 wires. So, rows are activated one by one, columns decide which LEDs light up. This creates a full image on the matrix. The I love you animation explanation. Now the fun part, the animation. We created 3 character patterns, I, heart, or love, you. Each character is defined using 8 bytes. Each byte is 1 row, each bit 1 LED on and off. Animation sequence. The animation works in 3 steps. Full display. 1. I love you. 2. Heartbeat effect, heart. On, off, on, off. This simulates a heartbeat. Instead of replacing characters, we simulate typing. I love you. This gives a natural text building effect. Full display. 1. I, heart emoji. The heart blinks like this. On, off, on, off. This simulates a heartbeat. Instead of replacing characters, we simulate typing. I heart. This gives a natural text building effect. Why this project is powerful. This project demonstrates 1. SPI communication, 3. daisy chaining multiple ICs, 4. custom animations. And the best part is, you can expand this to 10 plus matrices easily. So, in conclusion, the MAX7219 makes LED matrix control incredibly simple and efficient when used with an Arduino Uno. With just a few wires and some code, you can create animated displays, scrolling text, interactive LED systems. That's it. I hope now you have understood how to use MAX7219 with Arduino and how to wire them together. Thanks for watching.